Good morning, friends. Previous lecture, we have discussed about these two direct methods. First one is Gauss elimination method. Second one is Gauss-Jordan method. Now, let us talk about this third direct method. Method of factorization. Or LU. LU decomposition method. Or triangularization method. So this method are also used to solve this equations, system of linear equations. Method of factorization or LU decomposition method or triangularization method. Suppose consider the following equations. Following system of equations a11x plus a12y plus a13z is equal to b1 or अथवा a11 x1 a12 x2 a13 x3 is equal to b1 a21 y1 a22 y2 a23 y3 is equal to b2 a21. Suppose here this equation can be written as like a21 x1. Here x1 x2 and x3 are unknown variables. A21 x1 a22 x2 plus a23 x3 is equal to b2. A31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 is equal to b3. This equation can be written as like suppose A is equal to matrix coefficient of x1, x2 and x3, a11, a12 and a13, a21, a22 and a23, 31, 32 and a33. X is equal to here 3 unknowns, x1, x2 and x3, and B is equal to B1, B2 and B3. So this equation can be written as AX is equal to B. Suppose equation number 1. AX is equal to B. AX multiplication of these two matrix, first row and first column, A11x plus A12x2 plus A13x3 is equal to B1, first equation. Second row, first column, A21x1 plus A22x2 plus A23x3 is equal to B2. Third row and first column, A31x1 plus A32x2 plus A33x3 is equal to B3. So this equation can be written as in matrix form, AX is equal to B in this way. Here we can use the matrix. Here we can use the LU decomposition method of factorization or triangularization method. So let A is equal to AU. So let A decomposition method, LU decomposition method. So let A is equal to LU. So in this method we can use, first of all, we can write this. In this method we can use, so in this method we use the square matrix. We suspect that square matrix A can be factorized into the form LU. So that means A is equal to, matrix A can be factorized into LU, where this is most important. Well, L is, what is L and what is U? Where L is a unit lower. This is, remember that unit lower triangular matrix. Unit lower triangular matrix, and U is upper triangular matrix. Both are triangular matrix, but L is unit lower triangular and U, that means upper triangular matrix. So we can written this. So we can written this in expression, mathematical form. A can be factorized into LU, into the form of LU, where L is a unit lower. So matrix, unit lower triangular matrix. Unit, that means diagonal elements are 1. Lower elements, so upper elements are 0. Unit lower triangular, so lower triangular હોય એટલે નીચેના એલિમેન્ટ્સ હોય. યુનિટ છે એટલે એકમ છે, તો diagonal એલિમેન્ટ 1. Here elements second row and first column L21, third row and first column L31 and L32. And U, that means upper triangular matrix. Here there is not unit upper, here upper triangular matrix. So U11, U12, U13, U22, U23 and U33. upper છે એટલે શું હોય, diagonal થી ઉપરના એલિમેન્ટ હોય. આ બધા એલિમેન્ટ એના, આ બંને એલિમેન્ટ 0 હોય. So A can be factorized into the form of LU, where L is a unit lower triangular and U is a upper triangular matrix. Here this is the form of second. From the 1 and 2, from the equation 1 and 2, AX is equal to B, where A is equal to square matrix A can be factorized into LU. We can replace A is equal to LU in the equation number 1. So LU into X is equal to B. We can find the L, that means lower triangular matrix. We can find these elements L21, L31 and L32. Same as U, that means upper triangular matrix U11, U12, 13, 21, 22 and U33. So whenever all the elements are known, we can return this L and U matrix. So L into U, multiplication of these two matrices can be represented in square matrix A. Here we can A is equal to LU. Put this value in the equation 1. So LU into X is equal to B. So association rule. This is the form 3. We use the L into UX. Both are matrix. So LUX is equal to B. Let UX is equal to Y. This is equation number 4. We can suppose UX is equal to, for one matrix Y, so LY is equal to B. LY is equal to B, equation number 5. So Ly is equal to B, therefore L, that means unit lower. Here 0, 0, 0. Here L21, L31 and L32 elements. Into Y, suppose we have assumed the Y, that means small y1, y2 and y3 is equal to, here B, that means B1, B2 and B3. B1, B2 and B3. Multiplication of this, so y1, first row and first column, y1 is equal to b1. Same as L21 into y1, L21 into y1 plus 1 into y2 is equal to b2. And L31 into y1, so capital L31 into y1 plus L32 into y2 plus 1 into y3 is equal to b3. Here three equation, y1 is equal to b1, substitution, value of the y1 can be put here, so we can know y2 value, y1 and y2 value of the y1 and y2, put y1 and y2 here, so we can retrieve the value of the y3. So y1, y2 and y3, solving this equation, we can obtain y1, y2 and y3 by forward substitution. That means if y1 ની વેલ્યુ અહીંયા મૂકો, y1 ને y2 ની વેલ્યુ મળી જાય પછી એ અહીંયા મૂકો. So here y matrix, y, that means y1 here y is equal to y1, y2 and y3. Whenever we know the value of y1, y2 and y3, so we have a matrix, we have wave matrix y. So this y matrix put here, upper triangular into x is equal to y. So ux is equal to y. We find the value of lower triangular matrix, unit lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. So put this value of matrix y here in equation number 4. So now from the equation number 4 we get u, that means u11, u12 and u13 upper triangular matrix, u22, u23, 0, 0, 0 and u33 into x, that means x1, x2 and x3. x1, x2 and x3 is equal to y, that means y1, y2 and y3. So here multiplication of this form, u11 x1 plus u12 x2 plus u13 x3, first row and first column is equal to y1. 0 into x1, u22 x2 plus u23 x3 is equal to y2. 0 into x1 plus 0 into x2 plus u33 x3 is equal to y3. Here three equations. Solving this equation we can write y3 are known here. We can have a value of the y3 and u33. So here u33 is equal to, solving this equation, we get x1 by back substitution equation by x1, x2 and x3. Here x1, x2 and x3. Here value of the x3, put this here, value of, we can retrieve the value of x2, value of x2 and x3, put here, we can retrieve the value of x1. So in this method, LU decomposition method, in this method square matrix A are factorization into LU, where L is a unit lower triangular matrix and U is upper triangular matrix. So what is the matrix? Square matrix L, and what is the upper triangular matrix U? So both multiplication of L and U represent the square matrix A. Note down. Now, L and U can be found from the equation 2 here. Equation number 2, L and U can be found from the equation number 2 we get given by A is equal to LU. So what is the square matrix A? Here we can written this square matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is square matrix A. L that means unit lower triangular matrix. So unit diagonal elements are 1. These are L21, L31, L32. And U that means upper triangular matrix. So U11, U12 and 13. U22, U23. Here 0, 0, 0. And this element are U33. So A11, A12 and A13. A21, A22 and 23, second row. Third row, A31, A32 and A33. Multiplication of this two matrix, 1 into U11. So U11, U11. Here 3 by 3 matrix, here can be 3 by 3 matrix. Multiplication are exist because of the first element. Column of the first matrix 3 and row of the second matrix are also 3. So both are the same. So multiplication can be exist. First row and first column 1 into U11, that means U11 plus 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0. First row and second column 1 into U12. First row and third column. Here both are 0, so other elements, first of the other elements are 0. 1 into U13, that means U13. So here 1, 2 and U13. Second row and first column, L21 and L21 into U11 plus 1 into 0, 0 into 0, 0. Second row and second column, L21 into U12 plus 1 into U22 plus 0 into 0, 0. Second row and third column, L21 into U13 plus 1 into U23. So U23 plus 0 into U33, 0. Here third row and first column, L31 into U11, L31 into U11 plus L32 into 0 plus 1 into 0, that means 0. Third row and second column, L31 into U12 plus L32 into U22 plus 1 into 0, that means 0. Third row and third column, L31 into U13 plus L32 into U23 plus 1 into U33. Here matrix 3 cross 3, here also matrix 3 cross 3. Both matrix, order of the both matrix are same. So equality of the matrix, corresponding coefficient we get. So by equality of the matrix we get first element A11 is equal to U11 A12 is equal to U12. A13 is equal to U13. So we can have a value of U11, U12 and U13. A21 is equal to L21 into U11. So we can have a value of U11, put this value in form, U11 value, put this value U11 in here, so we can get L21. A22 is equal to L21 into U12 plus U22. A23 is equal to L21 into U13 plus U23. Third one. A31 is equal to L31 into U11. A32 is equal to L31 into U12, L32 into U22, and last one, A33 is equal to L31 U13, L32 U23 plus U33. So in the by equalating of the matrix, we can get value of U1, U11, U12 and U13. Put this value of U11 here, we can retrieve the value of L21. So L21 is equal to A21 upon U11. Same here, A21, U11 and U22 and U12 value. Put this U12 value of U12 can be here. L21 we can find a previous, so L21 here. We can retrieve the value of A22. Same process by knowing this all the elements L21, U11, L31, L32. We can retrieve this matrix L, which is a unit lower triangular matrix. Whenever we find the value of U11, U12, U13, U12, U23 and U33, whenever this value of these elements, we know what is the upper triangular matrix. And whenever we have a value of L21, L31 and L32, then we have what is the unit lower triangular matrix. Whenever we find the unit lower triangular matrix L and upper triangular matrix U, so both the multiplication of L and U, which is formed in a matrix A. So matrix A, which is retrieved from this given system of linear equation. આના ઉપરથી આપણે બેને સરખાવી દઈએ. આ U11, U12 ને U13 સીધી ખબર પડી જશે. U11 ની કિંમત અહીંયા મૂકો એટલે L21 મળી જશે. L21 ની કિંમત અહીંયાથી મળશે U12 આપણને સીધા ખબર હશે. U22 મેળવવા છે તો આ બે પદને આ બાજુ લઈ જાઓ. A22 સીધું ખબર જ છે તો U22 મળી જશે. A23 ખબર છે. L21 આપણને અહીંયાથી મળી ગયા છે. L21 અહીંયાથી ખબર છે, એ કિંમત મૂકો. U13 આ ખબર છે. U23 આપણે શોધવા હોય તો U23 ને કરતા બનાવો, આ બાજુ લઈ જાઓ. તો આ U23, U22, U11, 12 અને 13 બધી જ કિંમત ખબર પડી જાય એટલે U ખબર પડી જાય, L ખબર પડી જાય. So L and U, we can retrieve the L and U because of matrix, square matrix A can be factorized into LU. So L, remember that L is the unit lower triangular matrix, wherever U is the upper triangular matrix. LU decomposition method, in LU decomposition method or triangularization method or method of factorization, three are same. In this method L, remember this is asked in university exam in short question, objective question. What is the A is equal to LU? In the method of factorization, what is the L? So L is unit lower triangular matrix and U is upper triangular matrix. L શું છે? યુનિટ લોવર. યુનિટ એટલે એકમ અગ્ર વિકર્ણના ઘટક કેવો હોય? એક. અને યુ જે છે અપર છે એટલે ઉપરના ઘટક હોય, વિકર્ણથી નીચેના ઘટક 0 હોય. અહીંયા એલ છે લોવર છે એટલે એના નીચેના ઘટક હોય, ઉપરના ઘટક 0 હોય. તો બાય સોલ્વિંગ this equation we know the L and U. We know the L and U. So L and U, whenever we have L and U, the solution of these methods are A is equal to LU. Note down.